so glad you watched this video today. Sauces have been a passion of mine for a long time, and I'm super stoked that I get to finally bring this to you in video form. A lot of the sauces we're going to be doing, condiments, salad dressings, it's all going to tie together, and as we progress in this video series, you're going to see how everything starts tying together. This has been years and years of me mixing sauces, messing with sauces, and doing different things to make things work. So anyways, I have a couple favors I do want to ask everyone to do. Like our Facebook page down in the description below, and also like and subscribe to this channel, because every month I'm going to select one of my subscribers to get free sauces that I make and ship to your home or delivered to you locally of any sauce of your choosing that is on this channel. So go subscribe right now. Let's do it.